Whatever we ain't got, that's what you want.
When I think of the swell time I could have without you, I go nuts. What do I got? I got you. You can't keep a job. Lose me every job I get. Keep me shoving all over the country all the time. That ain't the worst. You get in trouble, you do bad things, and I got to get you out all the time.
Don't you want us to go away and leave you alone?
Where the hell would you go? Yeah? How'd you eat? You ain't got sense enough to find nothing to eat. Jesus Christ, your Aunt Clara wouldn't like you running off by yourself. Hey. We'll go get some wood so we can build a fire before it gets dark.